happy birthday, happy Rosh Hashanah, happy Mexican Independence Day, Labor Day, Patrol Day, and Peace Day.
Say it.
By the way, did you guys know that you have to get on James Celio Road?
Yes. Yes.
Celio.
As opposed to James C.
Leo, yes.
It's James Celio.
Well,
James
who's opening
Celio.
this?
Faith.
All of us.
You need a
Rip it like you mean it.
Rip it like you mean it.
Hey, fingers.
Nice, man.
My husband apparently into bondage.
Oh, you got it.
Oh, Lord.
Wait a minute, those are Kirkland water bottles.
What?
Mom.
Yeah, we know somebody.
Ooh, DirecTV.
Oh, Lord.
How do you think you got here? We found you on that
Okay,
patch,
okay.
right? Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Bow, chicka, wow, wow. All right.
I don't want to know.
We found him under a rock. I'm just telling you how we
I like
found
that story
I thought
better.
it was found him on the street.
No, I like that story better.
I thought it was a
Hang on,
cabbage
Faith.
patch.
That's it. The cabbage patch
Or
on
when she
the
goes
street.
really Woodstock, she stole me. Y'all stole me off the playground.
That's what she said.
Yeah, it is.
He's working the deal.
One more.
Come on, Dad.
If
You
you
can do it.
hurt, if you
All
hurt
right,
somebody,
somebody else's turn.
bubble wrap, bubble wrap,
Ooh,
Bubble
yay!
bubble wrap, bubble wrap. Oh yeah! Hallelujah! Look,
This wasn't yours, was it?
no, this wasn't yours.
Oh my gosh.
Typewriter.
This is your
Wow.
very
Oh,
own.
bubble wrap.
Oh
The
my.
bubble wrap right here.
Don't pop
my.
that. Don't pop that. Don't pop.
Oh, my.
Ooh, isn't that fun?
Wow.
Where's the ribbon? Why doesn't it have a ribbon? I
I'm
don't
sorry,
understand that
but
no ribbon.
Almost 100.
What am I gonna drip in grape juice? I don't
It's
understand.
almost 100 years old. You just got to take what you can get, okay?
It's almost 100 years
Right,
old.
you know I'm picking at you. That's beautiful
Yeah,
and
it's like
wonderful.
from the
Look at it. We got
20s.
the classic.
Girl, where did you find
It's
this?
next year is 2020.
Yeah, it's like from the...
those keys.
I'm telling you.
Does it actually work?
I doubt it.
Without a ribbon, it ain't going no place. See, back in the old days, they had a ribbon.
It might.
It's just for decoration.
But without the ribbon, you can't really do anything.
Oh, I
Oh.
love
Don't break
Shift lock works.
it. Don't break it.
I'm sure Amazon's got a good supply of those ribbons. You could just get as many as you want to.
That's
And you've
right.
got Prime, so there you go.
That's exactly
The
right.
backspace works.
Chris, don't break it, I'm telling you.
Girl, I'm just pushing buttons. That's all I'm
Yes, I know. That's a
They're called
protective
keys,
wall.
they're not buttons.
Girl,
Excuse
you
me,
did-
I'm just
where
pushing
did you find it?
I
keys.
found it at an estate sale, and it was too much. And
You
I
told them, no, no,
No,
no.
no.
I
Here,
had a
here, look.
friend that lived close by, and I called her, and I said, hey, can you go by tomorrow, and when they see if it's marked